Hello and welcome to in my group on Facebook called Craft Divas, a lot of my members wanted me to show them how to create a YouTube channel, which is perfectly because I do want to start a channel. Basically, something to help people who's dealing with things like as far as like if you need to talk to somebody, if you want advice about something and you don't want to ask people but you want to do it like anonymously, then I'm gonna have like an email address and everything set up where you can email what's going on, and I'll go live and talk about it, let people know about it. So basically, I'll say if somebody hit me up and was like, oh, I'm going through this kind of relationship problems, my boyfriend and me having issues, this, that, and third, or whatever, and or my husband cheated, and I'm trying to figure out what to do. I would never disclose their information. Either they can hit me up anonymously, or they can let me know who they are, but I would not tell nobody else like who the person is or anything like that. And I'll do a video explaining what's going on, my input of if I was in that situation, what I do, and um, you can leave in the comments like how you feel about that or what you think that person should do about that situation. I feel like that's something to help others. So it and I mean it to me it comes off pretty good. That's helping people if you don't want to act strangers, but you don't want strangers to know who you are. So I think that's a good idea. Um. So, but anyways, let's get this started. So, I don't know if y'all know before, my channel used to be called Q's Corner, so that's what I'm going to create on YouTube. And I already have a YouTube channel, of course, duh. So, let's get started. So, basically, what we're going to do is, let's see here, to create a YouTube channel, you would sign into YouTube. Um, you know what? Let me switch accounts. I want to. I'm I'm going to do it from my other channel, my other YouTube, so I can fully show you guys from scratch how to do it. Mm, 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 mm. Nah, because I don't be on this one. So purchase it. I'll look at that later. My son uses this one, so you know what? I don't want to sign it. The baby does use this. I'm gonna sign in with my other one. Or do I? Yeah, I'll sign in with this. Never mind. I just have to make him one for his little silliness that he watches. Anyway, so this is it. What you would do is um customize the channel. and you would upload whatever you want. You don't need to subscribe to yourself. So this is like the channel settings. You want to keep it private or whatever. What would you want to keep them private? So that's all you do. You just go on YouTube. You go to the setting, go to my channels, go to customize the channel, and new visitor, returning subscriber, view as yourself. You can view as whoever you want to be viewed as. You can change your icon, um, edit it however you want to edit. Load a video. This is how you upload a video. So basically how you upload a video is right now I am talking on this. Let's see if I can pull this over. Okay. So this thing right here called Screencast. Screencast is a screen recording site that you can use to record your entire screen. It's a screen basically of what you do. And it doesn't you can do up to 15 minutes. Um and you record whatever you want. So once you record it on Screencast, Screencast is gonna ask you to sign into your YouTube. Called Screenomatic. So it's gonna tell you to sign into your YouTube account. So and it links it together. And when it links it, then it'll automatically, like if you can see this right here, there'll be the record. It tells you if you want to do the screen or the webcam or both. The this this is what records, so you don't ever have to use your computer audio or nothing like that because it doesn't come with the free version. So I have the free version. Should be this. You download it on your computer and works fine, no problem. Make sure you sign up for it or whatever. So when I go record, when I pull this up on my screen, I just hit launch the recorder because I already recorded it on my computer once, so it's already on there. And after you're done, you hit the pause, and then you hit the it'll be a done button, and it'll upload it to Screenomatic. And once you upload it to Screenomatic, then it's gonna say it's gonna pop up another little black box that's gonna have you can put a tag, you put a title, and your YouTube name is gonna be on there already. And all you do is just sign it. Yeah, all you do is just what's the word I'm looking for? Hit upload, and it'll upload it automatically. And that's all you have to worry about. So then when you go to YouTube, you take and it's already downloading. So when you go to your videos, then all you got to do is just post it. Or you can do select to upload. If you record it on some kind of other recorder on a a recorder on your computer or whatever, you select the upload. So you'll go to a video or whatever. Do I have any videos? Let me see. I think I don't ever really record mine. Uh, Basic Cricut tutorial. I would do this. And it'll start uploading. Once it uploads, then you put the name of the item, the description of what the video is. It'll let you know how much time you have remaining. And you can have different click on. So the thumbnails are what we use, what people see when before they play the video. And once it's done, you hit publish, and that's it. And this is your link right here for your live. So I want to take this once it's finished and I publish it. I can take this link here and I can post it online, and then everybody can see it, which I will do for this. Easy peasy, no problem. It is very much foolproof. I know nothing about YouTube or anything like that before I did this, and now voila, I can YouTube. Not perfect at it. I'm still learning. It's still a work in progress, but I know the basics, and that's all that matters. So, yeah, I mean, it's not hard at all. So, but if you have any questions, reach out to me, leave a comment under this video, and I will help out as much as I can. All right. Thank you, ladies. Have a wonderful day.